Today, we've got a super special project. We got a brand new Ferrari Roma, and our client shopped the hell out of our competition, and we won the bid. So I'm really proud to be tackling this Roma today. I'm very honored that we get the privilege to work on this beautiful vehicle. The Roma is such an interesting Ferrari, right? If you look at the way the angles are, it's very different from different Ferraris. Like this one is not quite as concave as like, let's say a 458 or something. And so we're doing full body PPF on a vehicle like this. And so I'm gonna walk you through the process front to back and show you how much work goes into full body PPF on this Ferrari.
So every single vehicle that comes to my shop starts with a fantastic hand wash and a prep. So with our hand wash, we use a 3-bucket method, 2 buckets on paint, 1 on wheels. Doing washes this way mitigates any type of swirl marks and scratches that might come with us washing the vehicle. We don't want to install scratches and swirl marks when we're prepping the car. So as we prep the vehicle for paint protection film, we take a brush, we go through and clean all of the crevices nice and neat. Because dirt, whenever we're laying paint protection film, will come out from those areas and get into the film, causing a bump in the appearance, and we don't want that for our final product. Now with vehicles all been washed, we're going to pull it inside and start our PPF. We're going to be using Core software. And what's really great is that Core allows us to map out all of the body panels of the vehicle for the PPF, giving us a very accurate install. With Core software, not only does it allow us to map out the film really effectively so we don't waste any surface area of this sheet, but it allows us to stretch the patterns too, which means that the patterns, if you look with some of the fenders and whatnot, we're going to stretch it past the perimeter, giving us a cleaner tuck. When paint protection film is tucked this way, it's good for 2 major reasons. First and foremost, it looks fantastic. It looks literally seamless and invisible, so that is really great on aesthetics. But more importantly, just looking really pretty, it's also very durable. Paint protection film, when it's tucked this way, is far less likely to catch and lift, giving you more durability over the life of the film. So with all of that prep work, we are now finally ready to start laying some film. We usually start with the hood and then we work our way around the vehicle. That's the way that we like to do it. So with the hood, this is the one piece of film that we actually install in one big bulk piece. You can see my guys installing it this way using a 4-corner stretch, which has us lay the entire piece of film over the hood and then stretch it across to mitigate any type of stress or any type of areas where the film is lifting to get it flat across the surface. Once it is laid flat, then we move to squeegee. Now, this looks easy on video, but in reality, you have to be really thorough because when we're squeegeeing, we work in small sections and then we inspect the section to make sure there's not any kind of dirt, dust, or any debris that might have landed on the panel, even though we prepped it so well. Now that the film's been laid, we're going to trim the edges. And so you can see we're trimming it by hand with a blade. We cut along the perimeter of the vehicle. We'll leave maybe 2 or 3 millimeters. And that 2 or 3 millimeters is going to get tucked around the edge. When we install paint protection film on more complex pieces like this front bumper, you can see that the film, the cutout has to get really precise. And you got to work in small sections to make sure that film is not only laid across evenly, but also that there's not any bubbles or any kind of dirt and dust. It's very tedious and complex, and you have to stretch the film a certain way to get it to fit on that panel, but that's the nature of PPF, and that's why you're paying the pros to do this, and you're not doing this in your garage. With paint protection film, what's really fantastic is that when you do full body this way, you're fully protected from things like rock chips, scratches, swirl marks, dings, bird poop, bug guts, tree sap, I mean, you name it. One of the major benefits that people don't really think about with paint protection film is its ability to heal swirl marks and scratches. With paint protection film, it can heal, which means that if you do accidentally brush up against the car or you accidentally wiped it when it was dirty and dusty and you install swirl marks and scratches, you can park that car in the sun and that paint protection film will literally heal the swirl marks and scratches away, giving you a increased clarity over a long period of time and the durability you're looking for.
There you guys have it. That's full body clear bond on this Ferrari Roma. The owner of this vehicle wanted the absolute best. He had anxiety about parking his new Ferrari places. He wanted to have his cake and eat it too. And so he did that full body clear bond to give it full paint protection from physical and chemical damage. These Ferraris and most exotics on the market, to be fair, are usually really difficult to do paint protection film because they generally will have kind of odd shaped panels, or sometimes film has to be stretched a certain way so that it fits. So when you're doing clear bond on these exotics, make sure you bring it to a shop that understands how this material works and how to get it on correctly so that it stays on that car long term. So if you got a Ferrari or you got some sort of exotic or special vehicle and you want to get this work done because you want that peace of mind and you want the best, then bring it to Humble Car Auto Spa. We specialize in paint protection film, ceramic coatings, and window tint. And when we do these jobs, we really do take our time. It's Jesse at Humble Car Auto Spa, signing out.